Welcome everyone. Today, we will be discussing a topic that is crucial for those who are new to the world of investments, understanding the different types of investments suitable for beginners. Investments can be divided into several categories, and it's important to choose the right one, according to your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Let's dive into the most popular types of investments for beginners. 1. Stocks. A stock is a share in a company, which gives the holder a claim on part of the company's assets and earnings. It's a popular investment choice as it can provide substantial returns over time, but it comes with higher risk. Beginners should start with index funds or ETFs, which offer diversification and are relatively low cost. 2. Bonds. Bonds are loans you give to companies or governments. They generally offer a higher return than stocks, but have lower risk, as they are secured by assets. Start with low-cost index bonds and gradually move up to more volatile, but potentially higher return corporate bonds. 3. Real estate. Investing in property can provide stable returns through rental income and property appreciation. It's important to research the property market and choose a location that suits your needs and risk tolerance. 4. Retirement savings schemes. These include employer-sponsored plans like 401k and IRA, or individual plans like Roth IRA. They offer tax-free growth and flexibility in contributions, making them suitable for beginners looking to save for retirement. 5. Private equity funds. These invest in middle-market companies and can provide high returns, but also high risk. They require significant financial expertise and usually require a long-term investment horizon. Remember, it's essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Your goal should be to build an investment portfolio that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Happy investing!